Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making one of my all-time favorites, vanilla extract, using only 2 ingredients, high-quality beans and an 80% proof vodka. We need to prepare the beans first by exposing as much of the interior of the bean as possible. So we're going to split them lengthwise. Carefully run your knife down the center of the bean from end to end so you don't cut all the way through, just enough to open it to release the tiny seeds. Now we will place our beans into a clean glass bottle. Next, add the vodka. Pour over the beans so they are fully submerged. Place the lid on and gently shake. I store mine in the pantry and give it a shake every couple days. You will see the liquid start to change from clear to amber to a deep dark brown. Your vanilla extract will be ready to use in about 8 weeks. To have a truly rich and flavorful extract ready to gift for the holidays, you will need to start the process now. The longer it sits, the better it gets, so don't delay. Once it is ready, pour into amber-colored bottles, adding a few beans into each jar. Tighten the lid and label. It is a fantastic gift and a delicious way to elevate your baking. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. I will include all the details and links in the description box, including a free download ebook. Like and subscribe, and until next time, happy gardening.